This video is about how to install ABS on all Royal Enfield vehicles. ABS is a safety system that prevents the wheels from locking up during braking. This is important because it helps to maintain a steering control and prevent skidding. I am passionate about using technology for vehicle safety. And I believe that ABS should be standard on all vehicles, regardless of age. In this video, I will share my experience of installing ABS on an all Royal Enfield vehicles. If you are a mechanic and you are interested in learning more about how to install ABS on all Royal Enfield vehicles, please watch this video. I will explain the process step by step and provide tips to help you get the job done right. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box below.